Hello guys, I'm Annabelle.
How old are you?
19.
19, okay.
What is number?
6.
6. Or 9.
What's your favourite Christmas? What's your favourite Christmas food?
Cracker.
Crackers. And what's your favourite thing to do at Christmas?
Crack.
Pull crackers. What's your favourite Christmas song? What's your favourite Christmas?
We wish you Merry Christmas.
Can you sing it, please?
We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
And what's your favourite Christmas film?
Mickey Mouse.
Oh, the Mickey Mouse Christmas ones. Okay, I think that's close enough. What are you going to be asking Father Christmas for this year?
A lot of toys.
Any particular toy?
A racing car one. A
Racing
stretchy man
Oh, a stretchy man.
with pants.
Oh,
And
Stretch Armstrong. Yeah, that's good. And what will you be leaving Father Christmas as a snack?
Pie and milk and carrots for his reindeer.
Oh, for his reindeers, yeah. And how does he get in? Because we don't have a chimney.
He got a magic key to get in through my door.
Oh, okay.
He go in a garage.
Into the garage?
And
Oh, right.
gets a lot of food for her reindeer and for her elfish.
And are you giving anyone any Christmas presents?
No.
And what's your favourite game to play at Christmas?
Christmas games. How can I
What's your favourite Christmas?
Bye bye.